Welcome everyone! I wanted to share this pan-fried Basa recipe with you. It's so delicious. The meat is so moist and tasty, and the tomato and the pepper adds extra flavor to the fish. For today's recipe, I'm using one large frozen Basa fillet. I've thawed it out. Now I'm rinsing it and then patting it dry with a paper towel. I personally find that the Basa fillet meat doesn't have a lot of flavor to it, so we're going to need to add a little bit of salt, black pepper, and soy sauce to marinate the fish before we cook it. When you cut the fish into smaller pieces, it's easier to fry and flip the fish. As I mentioned earlier, Basa doesn't have a lot of flavor to the meat, so you need to make sure you massage all the seasoning into the fish and set it aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that the seasoning can soak into the meat. If you're one of my subscribers, you will know that I love to harvest fresh organic vegetables from my backyard to cook my dishes. You will need one medium-sized tomato and one medium-sized green pepper for today's recipe. Once you've lightly coated the fish with flour, place it in a non-stick pan on high heat. Once you've rinsed the tomato and green pepper, cut the green pepper in half and remove the core and seeds from the green pepper. Then dice it up. Remove the outer skin of a small purple onion and then slice it up. Next, cut up your tomato into large chunks. chance to enjoy this delicious Basa recipe. Hi everyone! If you are new here and this is your first time watching one of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. If you are coming back and seeing me again, please hit the bell button so you can be the first to view my videos.